I sit back, sip the yak, get my mind right. It's Woo Wednesday, presidential night. Swear to God, I gotta live my life OOC to the motherfucking day that I die. It's still Wu-Tang, nigga. Ain't shit changed, nigga. It's still shame on a nigga who try to run game. That's worth the unk. That's worth the unk. I'm scheming with a murderous intent. I spin the block twice, even murderers get hit. Don't know if I'm God's angel or I'm devil sent, but all I know is chaos, bitch. I'm in my element, I'm angry. I lost my uncle, bitch. I've been robbing shit, zoned out, bugging like maybe this is the apocalypse. Pain too deep, I gotta roll good weed. Too much on my mind, fuck around, don't get sleep. That shit floats the boat, can't let the fucking ship sink. 30 days straight, I swear to God, all I did was drink. Truthfully, I seek peace and a little guidance, but lately, my mind's dwelling on a lot of violence. Mr. President, I'm stranded on a fucking island. It's just me and my thoughts, the one thing I can never silence. Even now, it's a couple voices in my head fighting. I hit the weed, set the yak, and continue writing. Praying that my son a grown man when my life ends. I'm trying to do right, I'm tired of living trifling. But fuck it, unfortunately, that's how life is. Running around with the SIG, steady dodging pigs. Trying to stack this paper, steady throwing rocks at the pen. I take that risk and my whole family wins, bitch. I'm just trying to live my life, get that money and make sure my son make it out here, nigga. I'm just trying to live my life. Everybody purping out here, they ain't got shit for me, nigga. So I be out here with the mask down, with that cannon up, nigga. Don't back down, run up now. I gotta let them shells clap out. Here we go, another motherfucking man down. Yo, that's worth the unk, nigga. Yo, unk, what up, nigga? Damn. Yo,
Nxnja.
this a presidency I never wanted, nigga. OOC, nigga. R.I.P. J. Rain, nigga. Nigga. R.I.P. Seth, nigga. R.I.P. Celeste, nigga. I'm the last one left, nigga. That's what I rep, nigga. Fuck all you motherfuckers, man. Y'all don't know what this is. Still Wu-Tang, nigga. Ain't shit changed, nigga. Still shame on a nigga who try to run game. This way the nigga. Yo. Sir.